Hey guys, good morning. I'm here back in Florida working on this project. I've showed you this, guys, a few times. Again, this is an addition we're doing to an existing facility. This is the existing facility. That's the addition. It's starting to get harder and harder to see the difference between the two. This is the enclosed courtyard. Hallway on that side, hallway on this side, and the guys are now working on this canopy. Interesting fact here, this is a flat roof right up here because a lot of the large equipment that we're putting for ACs in this building are going on top of this unit, and there's going to be a nice fence around it to protect it. It's an interior courtyard. You're not really going to see it from the street, so it's a nice little hidden place to put it. At the same time, it'll be screened so that people enjoying this courtyard will not see or hear the noise that it might be making. Hope you're having a great day.